Oh, we always look forward to our annual visit with Chef D in Barbados when he rubs it in about how warm it is there and how cold it is here. How are you, Chefy?
You know, it's 31 degrees here, Tim, and you know, I hear it's supposed to be really cold next week. I'm not coming home.
Oh yeah, I bet you would want to be staying there because look at the scene you're taking in. All right, good to see you, Chef. What are we doing today?
Hey, great to. So we are at. Where are we at, Simon?
St. Nicholas Abbey in Barbados.
St. Nicholas Abbey in Barbados. And what is so special about St. Nicholas Abbey?
Well, we're one of the oldest giant match in the West End, and we make.
And they make rum here, Tim. They make rum here.
Oh, have we been sampling the rum, Chef?
I have been sampling the rum, Tim. You know, but I'm going to get started. And the really cool thing about St. Nicholas Abbey is they do everything from start. So they get the sugar cane, they make the syrup, they actually make the white rum. And then, Simon, what's the difference between white and dark rum?
Well,
oh, you are so.
yeah, so put in a barrel, it's like a filter, I made the darker and sweeter the older I get.
Right, and it doesn't. And Tim, I learned something that rum does not age in the bottle. It just rum ages only in the barrel.
Fascinating.
So,
I will tell you, Chef. We can't really hear when he's talking, so even if you translate for what he's saying, would be great.
100%. Okay. So I have some Barracuda here. Fresh from the fish market yesterday. We're going to take some lime juice. And then we're going to take the best ingredient ever, a little of the white rum. What do you think, Tim? Is that enough?
I was going to say, is there a reason you're going with the white rather than, let's say, the amber, the darker?
This is a lighter rum. It's got just a little bit of flavor. It's not going to overpower when actually you're using the dark rum because of the different nuances that it picks up from the barrel. There's different flavors. So this is more of I'm going to say a neutral flavor. So then it's not going to affect the flavor of the fish because we want to add some different things to it.
How much how much inspiration do you get when you're down there? Because this is an annual thing for you and Trish.
Oh yeah, it's amazing. Like you pick up on some different. We get to meet some amazing people like Simon and do these great things. But you also get some different recipes and different ways of doing it. Like because we're down here on the island, they have to have a lot of the vegetables and that shipped in, but also too now they're starting to grow some microgreens. So using some microgreens that they're growing here, we have some pineapple and cucumbers. I'm going to mix that with our fish.
Okay, we got about a minute and a half left.
Okay, so we're going to take this. Now, hold on. I'm just going to put this right here.
Don't need to cook it.
You don't need to cook it. It cooks with the acid of the lime, and then, of course, the rum. And then, look at this, Tim.
Fabulous.
But I want to show, this is a brand new product. Simon's mom, Anne, one of the owners here as well as Simon and his dad, she loves creating different things and different drinks. So this is an amaretto liqueur, and it tastes amazing. And then the other thing that Simon says, and he has it etched on the back, is Simon says to sip slowly.
Well, if Simon says that, then I guess you got to do it. If Simon doesn't say that, then you can't do it.
Right, and I'm thinking, Tim, that maybe I should bring some rum back so that maybe you and I can sip it slowly one day on the show.
Ask Simon, can we get this rum in Canada yet?
Can we get the rum in Canada yet? No, unfortunately not yet. It's in Toronto, but it's very high end.
Okay.
But we can always figure it out. We can send that. I know we have their website. So if you really like rum and you want something totally different for your collection, this would be really cool.
Okay, we got to go. Who's the studio audience behind you, though?
So we have Ted and Cindy. Oh, and Tim, I want to say a big shout out because Anne, without an E, and her husband Rick stopped me in the street and said, "Hey, we watch you on CHCH." So hi, Anne. Hi, Rick.
Well, we actually used that picture in where you're watching yesterday.
Okay, cool.
We had to see your ugly mug in back-to-back days. And we'll see that ugly mug back in the studio coming up next month. Thanks, pal.
Take care. Thanks, guys.